Let's be honest. Most Agile teams are excellent at managing the now, but struggle to look beyond the next 3 months. In an era of rapid technological shifts and unpredictable markets, that approach just leads to more of the same rather than true innovation. Hi, I'm Gasche, and I want to show you a radical alternative. That's why I'm bringing a method that is typically reserved for speculative art, urban planning, and high-level politics straight to Agile Tour Vienna. Design futuring. So my workshop is called Backcasting the Future, using speculative design to shape your product backlog. Now, instead of trying to predict the future, we're actually going to use this to shape it. So this isn't really a theoretical thing, it is a workshop. So we will apply 3 main elements from design futuring, learn the theory, and then go into hands-on practice. Firstly, the speculative design, we want to push past today's constraints. Secondly, the future's cone, we want to map out alternatives. And thirdly, backcasting, to map out the journey from there to now. So most importantly, we will actually bridge the gap to pragmatism by transferring those outcomes directly into actual backlog items for your products. Now, by joining this workshop, you will learn to master 3 concrete design featuring techniques to turn a vision into tangible backlog items. You will steer your product in a positive direction actively, instead of just reacting to market changes. And you will learn to think in alternatives and perceive the future as something shapeable, which boosts, of course, your possibility thinking and resilience in these VUCA times. It's time to move beyond user stories for today and start crafting backlogs for tomorrow. So join my workshop at Agile Tour Vienna 2026. I can't wait to see you there.